Guys, this is Ramon from Eclectic Emissary, and we just arrived in Nice, France. So this is our last stop. So Nice, you can just tell already, the weather is beautiful, and we're right by the ocean. So it's a nice, beautiful sea town. We're gonna explore all the coolest things there are to do in the city, and yeah, it's gonna be a really good time. So if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to like and subscribe, because we got tons more content from France coming up. So I'll see you guys soon. So we ended up taking a 3-hour bus ride from Marseille to Nice. So it wasn't too bad. I think it's a pretty good option if you want to save some money, because it was like $4 or $5 to take a bus. So not bad. First thing you notice when you get to Nice is like the beautiful warm sun and the breeze of the ocean. And yeah, you just feel like you're in a nice little beach town, and the architecture of the buildings is super nice. So here Nice has a lot of influence from Italian culture, so we're gonna see how that has affected their food and their style. So that's the English Promenade. Basically this like couple-mile long stretch along the beach, and it's lined with hotels, restaurants, super fancy looking buildings right across from the beach. So it's pretty sweet. You come in here, you can walk straight down to get to the old Nice, which is where we're headed right now to get some food. So let's go. On top of the hill, at the end of the promenade, there's the I Love Nice sign. So come be basic, take a Instagram selfie or a picture with it, you know, because it's here and we love Nice. Okay, so we're in Nice, so we gotta try a specialty dish here that is really awesome. We got recommended by a few people at Chez People, which is an awesome restaurant. It's called Soca. It's like a chickpea pancake thing. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna try it out. Right now, we are headed up this hill to Colle de Chateau. So it's this really cool castle-looking garden on top of the hill, and yeah, should be pretty sweet. We're gonna get a pretty nice view of the beaches of Nice below us. Just made it to the top of Colle de Chateau, and you can see this amazing view of the entire city and the sea. It's incredible. Not gonna lie, there was a lot of stairs to get here, and it's a little bit of a confusing path. Once you figure it out, it's so awesome at the top. So let's go check out that fountain. So right now we're in Villa, something like that. It's called Old Nice basically, and it's like this super old historic district. A lot of colorful buildings, nice restaurants, super cool architecture. You guys gotta check this out. Right next to Old Nice is Placa Mise, where this huge fountain is and a really cool downtown area. And there's a mall back there too. So if you're in the area, want to check out some shops, this is probably the best place to do it. So in Nice, one of the most famous hotels is Le Negresco, which is a super fancy looking hotel. Oh man, like they have a really nice restaurant as well, but if you just want to check it out just for the architecture, it's totally worth it. So yeah, stop by. So we made it to another Cathedral in Notre Dame in Nice, of course. So I feel like every city has them, so you gotta check them out. And they have similar architecture, as you can see. But this one doesn't open till like 4:30 p.m. So if you want to go inside, come at a later time. So there you have it. Top things to do in Nice, France. Man, I'm telling you, this is so beautiful. I think it really represents the south of France. It's a pretty small like city, and you probably need like 1 or 2 days to see the majority of the things, but it is so nice and relaxing. It really reminds me of Miami, but a bit more bougie. So a super luxurious beach town, and it's pretty expensive, not gonna lie, but it is really nice. The weather is beautiful, the water is beautiful, the old towns and architecture is all amazing, the food's really good, so highly recommend coming here. Yeah, so now we're gonna be headed to Paris, back to Paris. We could have taken a bus or a train, that would have been like 6 hours, but we decided to fly because it's cheaper. It was like $50, and yeah, it's a lot faster, so we're gonna be flying out there tonight and finishing our travel vlog series in France. So hope you guys enjoyed the content. Let me know in the comments below if you are interested in visiting Nice and what things you would want to see here or what foods you want to try. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Peace out. Till next time.